What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of Euro AUD and Aussie dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in AUD USD and Euro AUD. Now, before I begin, make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So first of all, we will be starting with Aussie dollar and then we'll go to the Euro AUD. Make sure you stick till the end to see both of this pair how they are giving us a trading opportunity. Now starting with monthly time frame on Aussie dollar, let's first of all see the bigger picture so that we can see the clear direction in the market before jumping on the lower time frame. Now Aussie dollar, what you saw the previous months has created this textbook bearish engulfer. It's a very strong bearish engulfer as it has crossed all this monthly high and then strongly rejected to the downside, closed as a bearish engulfer. This month's first 2 weeks of the month, we saw that the price went above, tested this previous resistance as a support, and primarily a rejection to the downside. So this is a sign of strong bearish momentum. Now at this point, what we see that after coming down, now the price is pushing high, meaning that it is giving another opportunity to sell as Aussie dollar is bearish, now price is approaching an important level of resistance, means that we might find a trading opportunity on the lower time frame. So monthly is bearish. Now let's see on the weekly time frame. Now weekly, what you saw the previous week, the price has created this strong bearish engulfer as there is no wick at the top, as you have seen that. So this zone basically a very strong liquidity zone. Let's draw this zone as high probability that if the price reach to this level, as this is a previous resistance, we might see a strong rejection on the lower time frame. So weekly, currently we see that the price is pushing high for retracement either from this level. Let's draw all of them. So either from this level or from this level, we might see a rejection based on the price section on the lower time frame. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Now this is what I have predicted in my weekly forex forecast. You probably have seen that. What did I say? That euro dollar is likely to go up from here to test this very important liquidity zone, and looks like the price is doing exactly as it is. Now as you can see that this gray zone is where very high area of value, as this is the zone where we can see that there's a 20 period moving average, and also there is a previous support as a resistance, and also this is the zone where there is a wickless candle, that the weekly starting of this candle. This is the first previous week's first day candle. So this is the zone that we will be waiting for the price to reach today during the high impact news release. High probability that your Aussie dollar could rise to this level today. Now let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see how we can find a trading opportunity. Now if the price able to break this long weak doji, even if the price reach to this level and create a lower high, could be a very good opportunity to sell. But however, we will be waiting for the price to give us the maximum possible opportunity. If the price reach to this level in this high area of value, we will be watching actively price action on the lower time frame for shorting opportunity. As soon as the price will give us a trading opportunity according to the rules of our strategy, then we will go short with our VIP members and students with a high risk to reward ratio. Now let's go to the euro AUD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity it is giving. Now euro AUD, as you can see that Aussie dollar is getting stronger, euro AUD looks like getting a bit weaker. So first of all, let's see the bigger picture, and then we'll come back to this time frame to see what kind of trading opportunity we have. Now euro AUD bigger picture is bearish. As you can see that the same way there is a bearish engulfer followed by another one strong bearish engulfer. Now this month there was a rejection to the upside retracement. Now this current month, what we see the price now exactly where it has opening. So this is a doji now, monthly doji. So still 2 weeks to go, but what we see the price is just at the middle. So where which way the price is to be heading. That's the question. Now let's go to the weekly time frame to find out the answer, possible answer. Now what you see that on the weekly, we have seen there is a weekly candle here on the weekly, and as soon as the market opened, the price went above as expected, created a retracement to the upside. Now we see a rejection to the downside. Now this is the weekly opening and closing, quite a few candle opened in this zone. As a result, what we see a primarily a rejection from here. But what I think that euro AUD could drop, as over the long term this is a bearish market, so we can expect euro AUD to drop to this level of support, this level. Why? Because as you have seen, there is a looks like an inverted head and shoulder or a double bottom, whatever you want to say. There is a lot of pattern here. So what you see that euro AUD basically created this reversal pattern on the weekly time frame, double bottom, and then broke above with couple of dodges here. So this is the previous support here. It's a very, very strong support, and high probability that euro AUD will come here to test this previous support, previous resistance as a support, and maybe will push to the upside or even could drop to the downside. So this is the next area of value that we can expect that euro AUD could drop. Now let's go to the daily time frame to see what's happening. Now on the daily, what you saw that the price created a couple of dodges and looks like it's breaking to the downside, and this is where we can find an area of value. So we can expect euro AUD now, after a little rejection to the upside, to come back to this level of support. Now let's go to the now 4 hour time frame to see what kind of trading opportunity we have. Now on the 4 hour, what we have seen that euro AUD has created this channel, and then the price broke down from this channel. As you have seen that there is a, first of all, there is a false breakout of to the upside with this channel, created a double top and then broke down. So high probability that this is likely to continue, as this channel, now this is the 4 hour time frame, is broken, and in this broken channel what we saw that there is a bearish engulfer. Now this current 4 hour candle is going to close after 58 minutes. What we see that now it is testing this bottom of the channel, support here, support here, now testing as a resistance, and we see that the buyers are very, very weak in this market. So what is likely to happen if this current candle, this doji, the buyers cannot push the price high enough, looks like it might close as a doji, then we might find a trading opportunity to the short side. If this candle shows enough rejection to the downside, if the buyers look like that weaker, then we'll take the advantage to trade short from here with a high risk to reward ratio. As if this candle give us a trading opportunity in this gap, we might find a very good risk to reward ratio trade to the downside. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.